But Two Scoops, that was in the group. When I first started like writing raps, I used to use that nigga Typewriter.
Snoop, you wrote raps on a typewriter? Hold up, this might need to go in the Smithsonian. You wrote raps on a typewriter?
Look, nigga.
Damn, I fucked up. I gotta do this shit again.
Hey, man, I fucked up. I put 2 E's in bitch.
Oh, man.
It's supposed to be bitches, not bitchy.
I was writing on paper, cuz, and then I would lose my shit. And this nigga Typewriter was organized. This nigga had paper organized and shit, so I'm like, I'm just gonna type my shit up. Nigga, I used to type like 65 words a minute, nigga.
Oh, no, you gotta speed up, DC. Do it fast.